Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see range function in Python. First, open Visual Studio Code Editor. In this, create a new file. Here you have to select option File, New File. Again, we are going to create a Python program. So, select Python file option. Now here you can type your program. So my first program is range function in Python. So first in comment we will write range function in Python, and here this hash symbol indicates this line is of comment. Now suppose I want to type numbers from 1 to 10. I will use the range function. For this we will use the for loop. So write the syntax for loop. For here you can write any variable. I am taking variable as I. In now range function we have to use. So type the name of the function as a range, and here I will write index in circular brackets 1 to 11. Now see, I want to type numbers from 1 to 10, but I am giving the range as a 1 to 11 because the last index in range function is exclusive number. Means if I give 1 to 11, 11 will get excluded and it will type numbers from 1 to 10. So here give the colon. Once you hit the enter button, cursor is automatically coming here. It is taking one indentation. It means it is in for loop. So just type the statement print, write the function as a print and pass the parameter as I, because I parameter is used for range function to type the numbers from 1 to 10. Now save the program. For this you can either press Ctrl S button, or here from here you can save file and save option is there. Name it is taking, or you can give by your own choice, range function in Python. Just save the program. Now if you observe here, top right corner of this window, it is showing the option run Python file. So just click on this triangle. Now see, here it is showing the output numbers from 1 to 10. It is showing output numbers from 1 to 10. If I want to type numbers by using skip counting by 2 or skip counting by 5, so what we will do? Again, we can use the range function for this. So create a new file, new Python file. Again, give the command skip counting by 5. So within this program in output, first I want to type the statement as a numbers by using skip counting by 5. So within print statement, I will write skip counting numbers by 5. Again, we have to use the for loop. So write the syntax for loop. For is a keyword. Again, take any integer or any variable. I am taking I for this range function. So I in range 0, 55, 5. So what these numbers are indicating means my sequence will start from 0 and it will end to 55. As per rule, this in a range function, the last index is exclusive. So it will consider numbers up to 54. And this 5 is indicating skip counting within this range. Again in for loop, type the function print Again in print, we have to pass the parameter, that is I. In this way, it will print all the numbers. Just save this program. Top right corner option is there, run Python file. Just click on it. Now see, it is showing the output. Skip counting numbers by 5. It has started the index from 0 and it is considering up to 54 because we have given the last number as a 55, and in range function the last number is exclusive. So it will consider up to 54, and if you start skip counting, 50 is the last number. Either it can take 55, but it is not in our range, so it is taking last number as a 50. So it is a skip counting by 5. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.